Would you buy a house worth hundreds of thousands of dollars without knowing what is hidden behind its walls? It's a staggering question, right? But honestly, for decades, that is exactly the gamble millions of buyers have taken every single day. We place this immense trust in what we can just visibly see on the surface. But today, we're going to look at how artificial intelligence and modern hardware are changing home inspections forever. We're talking about entirely removing the guesswork and literally shining a light into the darkest, most hidden corners of our homes.
So welcome to The Explainer. I am so thrilled you're here with us, because today we are exploring a truly massive technological shift. We're diving deep into some incredible insights from SaatPro to uncover exactly how AI-powered home inspections are becoming the absolute future of property assessment. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for your next big idea, a real estate professional, or just a huge technology enthusiast, the sheer scale of this transformation is something you absolutely need to see. Okay, let's dive right into this.
We've got a fantastic roadmap for today's Explainer. We'll start by unpacking the core problem with traditional inspections. Then we'll break down the modern technology stack that's solving it, explore the real-world market applications, calculate the actual business opportunity, and finally, we'll look at what the future holds for property assessment.
Let's move right into our first section, the home inspection problem, and the very real, hidden risks of buying blind. Think about how things have historically been done. An inspector arrives at a property with a ladder, a flashlight, and a clipboard. And look, they do their absolute best. But at the end of the day, they are limited by human biology. They have to physically climb up onto steep, slippery roofs, which creates major safety risks. They are completely limited by what their bare eyes can see. That means a slow water leak behind a wall or electrical degradation can go entirely unnoticed. It's just an incredibly time-consuming and highly subjective process. But modern technology? It flips this entirely on its head. We're moving away from human limitations and moving toward data-driven accuracy. We're introducing extreme safety by keeping human operators safely on the ground. We're gaining visibility into completely hidden defects, and we're making the entire process remarkably fast.
So how exactly are we doing this? Well, that brings us to Section 2, the modern technology stack, and how AI and advanced hardware work together in perfect harmony. The bedrock of this whole revolution is AI image recognition. I want you to think of computer vision as a tireless digital assistant, one that never blinks, never needs a coffee break, and never gets fatigued. Here's how it works. An inspector or a drone captures literally thousands of high-definition images during a single property visit. Now, instead of a human spending hours squinting at a computer monitor trying to spot an issue, the artificial intelligence instantly scans these images. Because this AI has been trained on millions of pictures of property damage, it can automatically spot microscopic hairline cracks in a foundation, early signs of mold growth, rust on pipes, or even a single missing shingle on a massive roof. The system then takes all of that and highlights these potential structural defects for the human inspector to review. It guarantees that absolutely nothing slips through the cracks.
And hey, speaking of capturing those images, let's talk about drone-based roof inspections. Climbing a two-story roof is, without a doubt, the most dangerous part of a traditional inspector's job. By deploying a drone, we completely eliminate that physical danger, and we do it in a fraction of the time. These drones are carrying ultra-high-resolution cameras that capture details of chimneys, gutters, and upper walls with a level of clarity that a human eye simply couldn't match, even from a few feet away. Plus, they can easily access difficult or structurally unsound areas without anyone risking a dangerous collapse. Ultimately, it drastically reduces labor time and costs across the board.
Now, if drones give us a flawless view of the outside, thermal imaging cameras give us actual X-ray vision for the inside. This is where things get really fascinating. You see, a home might look totally perfect to the naked eye. Fresh paint, clean floors, the whole shebang. But thermal cameras read heat signatures, not light. So a cold blue spot showing up on the camera might reveal a slow, hidden water leak inside the wall that's just starting to rot the framing. Or a bright red, glowing spot near a power outlet that instantly flags electrical overheating, which could prevent a potential house fire. It can even show exactly where wall insulation is missing or where the HVAC system is leaking air. It's literally detecting the invisible before it becomes a dangerously expensive repair.
Building on that X-ray vision, we have 3D property scanning. Instead of manually using a tape measure and just guessing the dimensions of a room, modern inspectors are using advanced laser scanners to sweep an entire house in a matter of minutes. This tech bounces thousands of light beams off the walls to create a complete millimeter-accurate digital model or floor plan of the property.
This is a massive game changer for buyers and builders. It allows clients to remotely walk through the space from their computer, measure rooms to see if their furniture will fit, and heavily document the exact condition of the property in 3D so they can compare changes over time.
But wait, what happens after the inspector packs up and goes home? That's where IoT, or Internet of Things, moisture sensors come into play. Think of these little guys as your tiny wireless detectives. These smart devices can be placed under sinks, near water heaters, or hidden behind appliances. They just sit there, continuously monitoring the environmental conditions. If a pipe starts a slow, hidden drip, the sensor detects that abnormal moisture instantly and pings a real-time alert directly to your smartphone. Instead of discovering a flooded basement 3 months later and probably inventing a few new curse words in the process, you catch the problem on day one. We are talking about saving thousands of dollars in water damage.
So let's tie this together. The crucial point here is that we now have all this incredible data from AI, drones, lasers, and sensors. Historically, organizing all of this would take an inspector days of incredibly tedious paperwork. But today, with cloud computing, it's virtually instant. The software automatically organizes all the findings, inserts the specific photos with AI annotations highlighting the exact problems, generates standard repair recommendations, and churns out a sleek, professional report in minutes. It completely cuts out the bottleneck of administrative work. That means a business can handle significantly more clients without burning out.
Which perfectly transitions us to Section 3, Real-World Market Applications, because you might be wondering, who actually needs this service?
If you are an entrepreneur listening to this, your eyes should be lighting up right about now. The market demand here extends way beyond just home buyers wanting peace of mind. Think about it. Home sellers use it to pre-inspect and fix issues before they even list a property. Real estate agents want fast, reliable data to close their deals smoothly. Insurance companies? They desperately need thermal and drone data to verify claims accurately after a storm. Banks and mortgage lenders need to know the asset they are financing is fundamentally solid. Builders are using 3D scanning to prove their construction quality. And government housing agencies use it for massive compliance checks. This isn't just a niche service. It's a massive B2B and B2C opportunity.
So let's talk about building that. Moving to Section 4, building the business opportunity. Let's break down the numbers, the startup costs, and how you actually generate revenue with this tech. The barrier to entry in this space is remarkably scalable. If you're a solo founder looking to build a small startup, you can get off the ground for roughly $10,000 to $25,000. That covers your initial commercial drone, a high-quality thermal camera, software subscriptions, basic licensing, and your insurance. Now, as you scale up to a professional service, maybe adding a few employees and some higher-end 3D laser scanners, you're looking at a $25,000 to $75,000 investment. And for an enterprise operation aiming for true regional dominance with whole fleets of drones and heavy marketing, you'll easily scale past $75,000. The beautiful thing here is that you can start small and just use your own cash flow to fund your technological upgrades over time.
And how are you making that initial investment back? Well, the revenue streams are highly diversified. You aren't just charging a flat one-and-done fee for a residential walkthrough anymore. You can upcharge for specialized drone roof inspections, or even offer standalone thermal imaging services for commercial buildings that just want to check their HVAC efficiency. You can score contracts with insurance companies to do rapid claim assessments after a severe storm. But the real golden goose here is subscription-based property monitoring. By installing those IoT moisture sensors we talked about, you transform a one-time inspection fee into a continuous recurring monthly revenue stream, keeping your clients' properties protected 24/7.
Of course, we have to stay grounded in reality for a second. There are definitely challenges to consider before you just go out and launch. Equipment costs do require some upfront capital. You have to navigate strict local aviation regulations for commercial drone flights, and frankly, you have to be prepared for weather delays. Crucially, you must maintain human oversight. AI is a fantastic tool, but it's not a complete replacement for a knowledgeable human inspector verifying the data. Finally, because you are dealing with detailed interior maps of people's private homes, maintaining strict data security and building unwavering customer trust is absolutely paramount to your survival in this industry.
So, we know where the industry is today. Let's move to our final section, the future of property assessment. Where is all of this going next?
The innovations on the immediate horizon are straight out of science fiction, but I promise you, they are arriving fast. Very soon, we'll see fully autonomous inspection drones that can just launch from a vehicle, completely map a house, and return without a human pilot ever touching a joystick. Meanwhile, AI-powered predictive maintenance won't just find a broken pipe, it will actually predict the exact failure dates for your HVAC system based on its current sound and heat profile, allowing you to fix it proactively. We're also going to see the widespread rise of digital twins, living, breathing digital replicas of your home that update in real time. This paves the way for continuous remote monitoring to become the absolute new normal, where our homes effectively perform self-diagnostics before a major failure ever occurs. The businesses that adopt these technologies first are the ones that will completely dominate the market.
At the end of the day, artificial intelligence is not here to replace human expertise. It is here to give us superpowers. By embracing drones, thermal imaging, and AI, forward-thinking entrepreneurs have the incredible chance to build highly profitable businesses that solve massive, real-world problems. As the source text brilliantly puts it, technology is not just about smarter machines. It is about creating safer homes, stronger businesses, and a better future. So, the only question left to ask is, will you be the one to build that future, or will you just be living in it? If you enjoyed learning about future technologies and innovative business ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit SaatPro.com for more inspiring content.